Yo, so I've decided I'm gonna sell all my quad stuff and just start flying kites, because it's pretty much windy every day here in Georgia right now. So I'm gonna rip a pack and see what happens.
Mind over matter, does it matter to any of us? Don't change the subject, I'm heavy on your love. I miss that train, New York City erased. Fly to East LA in big jet planes. You know you're on my mind. You know you're on my mind. And if the world don't break, I'll be shaking it. 'Cause I'm a young man after all. And when the seasons change, will you stand by me? 'Cause I'm a young man built to fall. Mind over matter, I'm in tatters thinking about her. Taste my disaster, it's heavy on my tongue. All the lights aglow, Tokyo snows. Don't you watch the show, curtains closed. I'm watching you this time. And if the world don't break, I'll be shaking it. 'Cause I'm a young man after all. And when the seasons change.
So you're not gonna see the end of that video, but I just destroyed my quad. I hit so hard it had to recover the file. As a matter of fact, let me show you, hold on. Blasted all of my hardware out. I don't know, I think it might just be that arm. Oh man, I hit that picnic table so hard. That's how it goes sometimes. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll see you next time.